Today I'm going to share how you can make these cute motel keychains with your Cricut. Okay, we're going to start in Cricut Design Space with a clean canvas, and you're going to go ahead and insert the motel keychain template, and I'll link it down below. This template I actually created based off of an image that was available in Cricut Design Space. It's also called Motel Keychain Template. It's this one here. And as you can see, all I did was I sized it a little bit differently to fit the keychains that I had. This one was a little bit too long and just didn't fit right. So this is the one that I'm using. And next we're going to use the shape section here, and we're going to add an 8.5 by 11 rectangle. And what I'm doing is I'm basically creating a sheet of paper that I'm going to use to size the keychains on. We're going to go ahead and change this to Print Then Cut. And you're going to get this notice here telling you that it's too large for Print Then Cut. We're going to go ahead and auto size it. We'll just send this to the back, so it'll basically be a template for the printout that we're going to be printing. And this will determine how many of these keychains we can actually fit. Next, I'm going to upload a graphic and just resize this real quick so that it'll fit onto the keychain. This is a Print Then Cut image, and I'm just resizing it, and I'm going to change this color to white so that we can get a better representation of the printout. And then we're just going to align it and center it onto the keychain. Right now the keychain is a basic cut format. We're going to go ahead and change it to a Print Then Cut image, and then we will flatten it so that way the pickle image and the keychain image become one image, and it'll just cut around the motel keychain instead of cutting all the individual pieces of the graphic. Now I'm just duplicating this and lining them up. I'm going to be able to fit about 12 of these on one sheet. So here I'm just grouping them, duplicating them, and aligning them so that they all fit on one page. And then I'll attach them. I'll grab them all and attach them together so that it becomes one large image. All 12 of them become one large image. And then once we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and hide the little template, paper template that we created in the background, because we're not actually going to print or cut that at all. It was just used for a placeholder. And now you're going to go ahead and click Make It, and then it's going to give you a preview of the printout. I like to center my image in the middle of that printout. And then you press the Continue button, and then you'll have the section where you find your machine, and then you also send the image to the printer. You're going to be printing this on a regular inkjet printer on clear sticker vinyl, and I like to use the system dialog in order to pick the parameters for my printer, so I'm just doing that real quick here. Once you have it printed, you're going to select your material from the material list, click the All Materials button, and then type in printable transparent vinyl, and you can go ahead and select that one there. And this is for like a kiss cut sticker. If you want to do a die cut sticker, you can do something like the heavy cardstock with more pressure, and then just send it over to the Cricut. Okay, to start off, I'm going to be using clear vinyl sticker paper. This is from Koala. I'll also be using Koala self-adhesive laminating sheets and just my regular inkjet printer. Okay, so here is the design printed out. We're going to go ahead and add the laminate sheet on top just to make sure that it's waterproof. And I do that by using my ruler that is covered with a felt cover, and I use it as a large squeegee. So we start off with the laminate sheet and go ahead and fold back the backing, and then we'll apply it on top of the printed sticker sheet. Then I get my felt covered ruler and I just slide it over as I peel back the backing. And then I also use it to apply pressure to make sure it's on there without any air bubbles. And then I'm going to get a light grip mat for my Cricut. This one is HTV brand. And then we just line this up. As you can see with the Print Then Cut, there's a little arrow here telling you which direction you want to put your paper. So just put this in the corner. And then I get my ruler again and just apply some pressure. Then we go ahead and just cut. The Cricut is now going to read the registration marks that were printed through the Print Then Cut process, and then it'll start cutting out each individual label for the keychains. Okay, so here we have each individual sticker. You can also change your settings so that you cut them out as die cut stickers. That way you can have the backing and use it to attach it to the keychain, or you can just do it this way. It's however you like to do it. So here I have a blank keychain. All you do is take your sticker, line it up, and there you have it. And you just do that for the back as well. And there's no need to do any resin or anything. These are now waterproof, and you're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and add a little embellishment to them. You can add tassels or other pom-poms, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. Okay, so I just have a little finding here and the tassel. You can put it around the keychain here and get your pliers and just close it up. Super cute. I think I'll put a pink one on that one. Here's just an example of some other ones I made. This cute little Highland cow. He has risen for Easter. One for the book lovers. Cute cherries. And one for Easter as well. So you can use this technique to make any type of designs you'd like with your inkjet printer. You don't need anything else except for that and your Cricut, and you're good to go. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, just drop them below. And as always, thank you for watching.